How to see your Yahoo Mail password. This tutorial shows you how to view your saved Yahoo Mail password using Google Password Manager on your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on Manage your Google account. Swipe left to the Security tab at the top. Scroll down and tap on Password Manager. Look through the list and find Yahoo or mail.yahoo.com. Tap on Yahoo to view the saved password details. Enter your phone's PIN or use your fingerprint to verify. Once verified, tap on the eye icon next to the password. Your Yahoo Mail password will now be displayed. You can now see your current Yahoo password. Tap the copy icon if you need to use it elsewhere. Note that this only works if you previously saved your password to Google. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you see your Yahoo Mail password, give it a like, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.